Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the new fresh wrapper. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to click on this new button, which will take me to this new page. I'm going to do a test. Let me call it test get, or maybe it's uh, actually we should call it demo get. That'll be more, or maybe get demo or something like that. That'll be more suitable. So now that we have Git repo created, the next thing we want to do is we want to open this workspace, the current repository in our workspace under Git pod. So for that, what you can do is you can install this Git pod extension from the Firefox extensions, or you can, if you're using Google Chrome, then you can install it from Google extensions. And once you do that, you can click on this extension and it will open the workspace for you. So once it is done, we'll get back to the actual workspace where we'll see our actual code base. All right, so as you can see, my Git pod has loaded and my current workspace is enlisted in here. Um, Let me do one more thing in here. I'm going to use my VS Code to open the same workspace so that I can see the changes which I'm making on one side. I can see the changes same on the other side as well. This will help us to understand how Git works internally and how we can make multiple changes across on the same branches or across multiple branches. So I'm going to go ahead in here. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to say clone repo. I'm going to clone from GitHub. And you can see I have a default name git demo which I just created previously. I'm going to click that. It'll ask me where I want to store my repository. So for our examples, I'm going to put that on my desktop and it'll start cloning it. So when it's cloned, I'm going to open it. And as you can see on my right side, I have the same set of files which have opened in my Git pod. Not this one. In here. So I have a git ignore, I have a license, and I have a readme file. Okay, so if you see in the bottom in here, so by default we are on the main branch. Same is the case in here. We are on the main branch. Now I would encourage everybody who wants to write a new feature, who are working in a writing a new code base, start with a separate branch for themselves. Now, what do you mean by a branch? Think of a branch as a replica of your original code base, but it's like a separate copy. You can make changes, you can tweak changes, you can do whatever experimentation you would want to do, but without affecting your original code base. All right.